Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to open up an LLC in the state of Alabama. I'm going to do a whole step-by-step process for you. I'm also going to show you how to get your EIN. Your EIN is what you need to open up a business bank account and to hire employees under your business. So if you want to follow along, hit the link down in the description. I'm going to hop onto my laptop and show you all the steps you need to do. It's to be a quick process, like 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll have your LLC already processed. So let's hop on. Once you click the link, it'll take you here to Tailor Brands. I've done all my LLCs through Tailor Brands and I've never had any issues, and it's a seamless process. So since we're here, let's go with Alabama. Let's get started. Okay, here now we have to put our business name. This is what our LLC is going to be. So let's put our name. And there we go. Our name was available. Go next. Back to it here. So they're asking what stage are we in? Let's say we're already in business. And then they're going to ask what industry we do. So I sell on Amazon, so I'll put Amazon sales, and I do physical goods. Next, what are you planning to hire employees? I don't have any, so I'm not sure. What's her annual income? 80, more than 80. I'll put I don't know. And then I'm gonna put online. I'm gonna do e-commerce. Of course, anything that falls in different from you go for it. And this is a bunch of different services that Tailor Brand does provide. If you wanted to work on your logo, if you needed a website and to go along with a domain, if you need insurance, a trademark done, taxes and accounting, we're gonna do our EIN as well, and licenses and permits. So right now we're gonna do our LLC, and I'm also gonna do an EIN for you. So let's continue. Don't worry about this. This is like a checklist if you wanted to do it. Okay, this is how you discover Tailor Brands. If you're watching this video, just put YouTube. Here, next page, you're offering a coaching program. Don't worry about it. If you want to do it, it is free, but we don't need that right now. And then here, we're going to put our email information. It's basically going to be making an account for us. So let's fill this out. Okay, once we are done entering our information, this is the next page that's going to come up. We're going to be talking about the EIN and exactly what I mentioned it, which is to open up a business bank account and to hire employees. I'm going to show you at the end how to do it. I don't like checking it now, so I'll handle it myself. And at the end, if you want to add it, we can add it. Here is, they're talking about registered agent. What a registered agent is basically who's gonna be receiving all the mail and paperwork from the state for the LLC. So if you live in the state of Alabama, you can register yourself as the agent, and you'll enter your address, and then they will send all the documents and mail paperwork that needs to be sent to you. If you don't live in the state in which you're filing your LLC, then you will have to find an agent that lives in the state, whether it be a relative, or you can use Tailor Brands. They do provide that service. So if you do live in the state, don't worry, you'll appoint yourself as a registered agent, and that will be at the end after you pay for the LLC processing. So I'll appoint a different registered agent, and that agent is going to be yourself. Okay, the next page here, they're going to be talking about annual compliance. Like we were saying about being the agent, they'll be sending you the form to renew your LLC. If you want Tailor Brands to take care of that for you and you don't want to forget, go for it. But it's an easy process. It's like any other bill you get through the mail, and they'll just show you step by step on the mail how to renew your LLC. So I'll handle the compliance. Here's a toolkit if you want to work on your business. We're just here for LLC, so we're going to keep on going. They do provide an expedited if you wanted to go 2 days and get it quicker, or for the no extra charge, you get it for 14 days done. So we're just gonna put 14 days. And this is the whole operating agreement. This will be done at the end. Here is, they also offer, if you want to do tax paperwork, legal documents, they do that all tailored to your business. So we don't need that right now. If you're interested in any of this, you could come back. You do have a profile with them, and then you can have that done. So here it's saying if you want to get notified with the whole process, I say why not. It's always good to get notified. And then here at the end, towards the end, we're here. They're showing the 3 different tiers. Here is the light, which you just get your your LLC. But as you see down here, every tier you will pick, you do always have to pay the state filing fee. The state filing fee for Alabama is $236. There's no way around that. Anywhere you go, you always have to pay the state filing fee of $236. Every state has a different state filing fee. So for here, it's going to be this amount. If you want to go to the essential, they just add on the 2-day expedited. And then for the elite, they add in the domain and the website. So we're just here really for the light. For our LLC, we're going to go light. And then here is the checklist I was telling you about, which will be easier to see what we're getting. So we're here doing the 236, the state filing fee. And then here, if you wanted to do the expedited, you can add it on for $50 more. You get it in 2 days. And here is the EIN. You add in the EIN for an extra $100, and Tailor Brands would take care of that for you. So due today, you have to pay the state filing fee. And after that, either in 2 days or the 14 days, Tailor Brands would then charge you for the EIN to do it for you. So let's go here. And that is it. After this, another page will come up, and then they'll tell you who's going to be under the LLC, and then you're done. Tailor Brands will take care of the rest for you, and then you'll get notified once your LLC is established, and then you're done. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you did, like it, subscribe, leave a comment down below if this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them also down. I'll try to get to them as quickly as possible. But I hope this helped you a lot, and you got your LLC registered alongside with me right now, and you don't have to worry about it. I hope this helped, and bye. Peace out.